Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Pioneer Bank in Wise. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, this will be on your mobile devices. So first, just simply open the Wise application into your phone. So after that, just simply tap on the recipient options at the bottom of the menu on the application. And after that, guys, just simply tap on the add recipient button. You should be able to see it over there and just simply choose the currency for the bank account. So it can be Euro, USD, and the other options. And from there, guys, just simply choose whether the account is for you or someone else or a business or organization. So just simply provide the necessary information. So if it's your account, just simply enter your full name and IBAN, which is International Bank Account Number. And just simply review the entered details and click on confirm. And from there, your bank account is now added to Wise. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.